Hey, in this video I will compare the build quality between the Sony WH1000XM3, XM4 and the Sony ULT. So first of all, you can feel that Sony ULT is made out of the different type of the plastics. It actually seems to me it's a little bit lighter and less resistant than the WH1000XM3, XM4. Due to this, the difference in weight, it's also like you can feel there's like the ULT are a little bit lighter than the WH1000XM3. And when you talk about this material right here on the ear cups and also this part, it actually appears to be the same. So it's nice when you touch it and it feels comfortable when you put it on your head and this place and also on your ears. So it is actually the same. And also when you take the both headphones in your hand, you get the impression that the ULT are just cheaper. This is actually my personal feeling. And however, looking at the fit of the elements, like for example, right here with the buttons, with these ear cups, all of these are not protruding elements in both headphones. So everything just fit really nice. And that's how it looks on the ULT and the XM3 or XM4. And just to sum up, for me, the Sony headphones seems to be more premium when you touch it, of course. I'm not talking about the sound quality, just about my personal feeling when I touch both pairs of the headphones. So this is it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. You can also hit the thumbs button under the video and subscribe to my channel.